Alright, hello, welcome back to the channel. This is our continuation of the triple mindful image unboxing. So this is our first box was my mom's Alice in Wonderland box. You can go back and watch that video. This one is one of my swap boxes. Funny story with this box. You gotta love shipping. And what are you doing? Getting ahead of that. This box actually showed up in a Michaels box because it got lost in the shipping, and then they took this packaging off of it, and then put it in a Michaels box, and then relabeled it and sent it back to my house. So it was through a lot. I have no idea what exactly happened, but I did open it and confirm that nothing had been disturbed. I just opened the top and sent it to Catherine, and she was like, yep, okay. Nobody opened the actual box. So she's gotta figure out stuff with shipping, but it did come safe and sound, and she does buy the insurance on every box as well. So if anything comes messed up, definitely let her know. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at what she normally puts the paper in the bottom. Okay. Is this just like how am I supposed to use all of that? Oh my god. That's like a whole journal, like 2 journals, like what? Okay, this is I believe
it's a journal series.
I believe that this is resume paper, like parchment style resume, cardstocky, double-sided.
All your tags.
Beautiful. So there's like this cream color and then like a gray color as well. Oh my god, there's so much. Like so much. Like I can't even, what?
It's shiny.
Ooh, and this is like a gold sheen. You see that?
Pearly.
Yeah, pearlescent. But what? Catherine, like how am I supposed There's no way I could use all of this in one box.
Nothing says that you have to make one journal out of what's in the box.
I'm gonna make like 6 journals out of one box. That's a deal. Oh, and these are like chipboard almost.
You mean journal covers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm making 10 mini journals. Is that what you're saying? Wow. Okay. I love the colors. I love. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Why did you do? Okay. Don't touch it. You gotta do this first.
Oh.
You can rip this one. Oh my gosh. I love going through her paper packs. It's so satisfying. Okay. This, I believe, is like a piece of like upholstery fabric, maybe like embroidered. That's so pretty.
Very good.
What's this? Ooh, coffee dyed cardstock. This is like a ruler. You just cardstock cut out. Yeah, mom's having problems. Okay, I'll let you hold each one.
Thank you.
Ooh, this is a Tim Holtz. I'm pretty sure this is a Tim Holtz. And this too. Vocal Beauties from the Operas. Okay, are we doing an opera journal? Ooh! I thought this was a stencil. No, it is a paper bag that has cutouts, like a snowflake cutout.
It's a luminary bag.
That's awesome. I'm totally, like, that could totally be a page or something. This is gonna be so fun. It's so pretty. I get to do botanicals. Do I get to do botanicals, maybe?
Guess what? I have a whole thing of old old pages that have the.
Okay. I love these. These are called? So pretty.
Succulents.
Succulents, yeah.
Yes. And the pages are already this size.
Oh my gosh. Look. Ah. They're so pretty. What?
They're double-sided.
What? Okay, this one isn't. Okay, hold up. So there's this, and then. Wait. Oh no. Upside down. Oh no.
So you decide which one you're gonna use.
Oh, this side. Duh. Okay. And then this one is also upside down. Oh no. Okay, so that's gonna be really. Maybe I can help with it. Oh, that's so pretty though. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh. If I cut them in half, or no, if I cut them in half this way, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. So pretty. Oh, the colors are so rich and I love these. I got a piece of what's it called? Scrapbook paper that had a bunch of these on it, and I don't want to use it because I'm like, oh, it's so pretty. But I can use these. I might have to copy this one. Photocopy it so I have more. Oh my gosh. So nice. I love these so much. Studioongalore.etsy.com. Awesome. I like that she left that on there so we know where it came from. I'm about to be buying that digital. Yes, ma'am. Oh, I love these so much. What? Oh. Look at that. Okay. Okay. What do we got here? What's this? Yes! Here's how I reacted to the last ones, huh? Okay. Old postcard. This one had a stamp, but it's been taken off, probably because it was vintage. Mrs. Elmer Day, Brighton, New Jersey. Dear Miss Day, I wish you all that the four leaves on colors. What? Your friend. June 2nd, 1913. Happy birthday. That's so cool. 1913. Are you kidding me? That's awesome. I might have to keep that one.
I wish you all that the four-leaved clover implies.
Oh, because it's a four-leaf clover right there. That's awesome. Here's a geode. And this doesn't say the year or anything, but that's cool. Ooh. Okay. Very nice. Crystals. Yes, I've been seeing these in other people's. They're like fabric samples, like upholstery samples. Oh my gosh, love that. There's so much in that one. Gotta use all of these. How am I gonna use all of these? That's right, I'm doing 10 journals. This is one box, right? Oh my gosh, look. Oh. Okay, so there's 10 spine covers. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I might try to do 10 journals out of this. Hey, stop it! Stop it!
I'm addicted.
Stop it!
I'm addicted. And I haven't even done anything with them yet.
Just buy boxes. Add your stash.
No. I just am like, oh!
Whoa.
It's a giant hair bow.
And it's like this crocodile. Though it almost could look like succulent.
Oh, yeah. Succulent leaves.
Oh,
Ooh, and it has a pretty little thing on it.
Maybe I'll wear this. Wow. Ooh, look at this. Oh, this is a rock. These are rocks. There's rocks.
Yeah.
There's like gold rocks coming out of things. So something must have. Yeah. Okay. What is this? Ooh, look at this. It opens up. Pretty. Okay, this feels heavy. No wonder this box was so heavy. It's like all fabric. It just... What? It's so sparkly. Ew. Wait, what's the theme of this journal again? What did I say?
Succulent.
Succulents and... Vintage grunge. Vintage grunge. Succulent botanical.
No, you have a 1913. You have
A happy birthday. Maybe
yeah,
it's my
but this
birthday.
is more. This is almost 1920s ish. Oh,
Wait, look.
St. Patty. Look, it's green.
I don't even know.
Oh,
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's awesome. Ooh. Okay, Mom is super addicted to this stuff. We have brown, and she's put it all over our backwoods journals.
It's brown and
now this one's green.
it's brown and white, like it's been on bark of a tree.
Oh, more rocks. Okay. Joyful Journal Crafts. Oh, Joy Crowley. Okay, I've seen some of her stuff. She is on the Mindful Image group. So I think this is like an old, 1879 type style tag, but I believe she makes these little embellishments. She sews them. Aren't they cute?
Cute.
So this is Joy Crowley. She makes all kinds of cool things. I've seen her stuff. And then this is her little, it's Joyful Journal Crafts on Facebook, Joyful Journal Crafts on YouTube, Joy Crowley JJ on TikTok, and Joyful Journal Crafts on Instagram. And she makes little doodads like this, and they are so pretty and so cute. Ah! So, thank you, Joy. And then, oh my god. I'm not looking. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this. This is so pretty. It looks like it's like embroidered sari type of material.
On another box.
Well, you get 1 in 3 months, so. Oh, look, sticker. Is that a sticker? Yeah, sticker.
One.
Oh, my. Girl, you gave me a whole journal. Like, what? Are you kidding me? Like, what? 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 Okay. What are we doing here? Wait. I was supposed to use a journal in a journal. Okay. This is definitely going to be it. This one is a challenge. You saw how good I did with the last one, and you're like, let's just
take this out.
Yeah, yeah, but like, I don't know if I want this to be the cover, but I gotta use it. Like,
well yeah,
maybe a
but
flip out. I don't know. It's such a nice hard covered.
How many? You know, it's a journal collection. Remember, I told you. There's more than one journal in this box.
I mean, I don't know how I'm gonna do. Oh, look, there's white.
Because there is.
Look, the paper clips that you love.
I love them.
Ooh, and look, it's on like a holographic spool.
Ooh. I'm serious.
What am I? Okay.
You
What am I
have
gonna do with all these rocks?
Hot glue them on.
Oh my gosh, that'll be a really cool cover, like texture or something. Okay, let's use this. Does that look familiar to you? That looks pretty familiar to me. I think it looks like this. Okay. Oh, okay. So these are like mosaic glass tiles, and like, what is this, like fool's gold type? I don't know. It's gold colored. Maybe it's like that fish tank rock. I don't know. This is full of it. Oh my gosh! What? That could be really cool. There's so much going on.
Guess you're gonna get
There's
into
so much
some,
going on in this box. I don't even know, like,
mixed media, because you need some.
Yeah, is this a? I thought. Wait, is this a mixed media box? No, it's a journal box. I don't know. That's the thing with junk journaling, is it kind of like there's a huge blurry line, which is what they are both. All right, thank you. for that. Oh, God. She had that taped down, and there is still rocks all over this thing. I don't understand. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Lace. Or that Dollar Tree goodness. But I like how she put it on the tiny little. Ooh, it's actually like a plastic spool. So I can
it's a tag.
It's a spool.
It's a tag.
It's a plastic spool.
It's a spool tag.
I'm gonna use it for more lace.
No, you're gonna use
It's my box.
You know what? You can put washi on there and stick it in the journal.
For me.
In the journal.
I'll tell you how to make your journal. Don't tell me how to make
Yeah, you did. You would tell me how to make my spine.
I said I'm sorry. Ooh, this is pretty.
Raffles.
There's so much
and you
vibes.
put ribbon through here.
What in the world? Girl, like, what am I supposed to do with this? That's really cool. I kind of want to wear it, but journal? I have no idea.
Not yet, anyway.
I have no clue.
There's a box. What is that?
What's this?
Ooh.
Ooh, it's like a wine. I think this is a wine charm or a wine glass charm.
Mm-hmm.
That's very pretty. I am stumped, you guys. Trying to figure out how I'm going to use all these. Oh, beads. Wooden beads, pretty beads. Love the beads. Okay. I'm thinking exposed spine. I've always wanted to do one of those, like with the beads on the part that's burlap. Enough for another cover or two. I don't know. Catherine.
Cover in and itself.
I don't even know, man. And then this is so pretty. Look at that. Wow. Okay. I'm going to have to really think long and hard on how on earth to use all of this. That's for sure. In one project?
Okay. Doesn't have to be
One project, not one journal.
Yeah.
One project. But I still want to, I still got to make it like cohesive. They're like, oh my gosh. I don't know. This is probably the hardest one. Like, what, babe?
You put one different chain on each journal in the project to make them
Well, that's the
same.
thing, but it's plastic, so I don't know if I can take them apart.
You don't have to. You break the ones in between.
Why do I have to break them?
But then it's something that's the same on each of them to make them.
It
part of
would
the set.
actually be really cool if we did break them, though, because then we'd have the halves and we could, like... Okay, I'm
I
gonna break
thought
them.
like lobster claws when I saw them.
That's gonna take some elbow grease, but it's gonna be fun. And I have been eyeing some of Joy's stuff, so this is so cute. I love that she sent some to Catherine for, or maybe Catherine bought them. I don't know. However it was, so cute. Mom's like, hurry up, let's look at the next box. Wow. I can't even, like, ugh. It's like a 10-pound box.
It's definitely an advanced box. It's not a beginner box.
No. And this one.
Does it?
Yep.
Okay.
All right. That is box number 2. Thank you very much, Catherine. I will probably be getting to this one in a few weeks. Maybe mid-October. Maybe November. I don't. Depends on what the other one is. So this one is awesome. Thank you very much.